Alright, first example, the I do solve. I have parentheses x minus 2, parentheses 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Oh, that's some loud music. I have the ZPP. I'm going to use the ZPP because they're both factored out. See this? Both factored out. And this is A times B is equal to 0. Right? Two things that multiply to equal to 0. Granted, they look weird, but x minus 2 is one thing and 2x minus 8 is the second thing. So if I have two things multiplied together to equal 0, I know that the first one, A, will be equal to 0, and I have B is equal to 0. So A, in this case, A is x minus 2 is equal to 0, and B is 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So now I can go ahead, I have two separate equations. One equation, two equation. I'm going to go ahead and solve both equations. So let's see, I am running out of space. So the first equation, x minus 2 is equal to 0. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 to both sides. I have x is equal to 2. That's one answer. The second answer, 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. And add 8 to both sides. I have 2x is equal to 8. And now I have x is equal to 4. Right, dividing both sides by 2. So I have two answers. X is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. Mr. Doe, how do I know that these answers are correct? That's a good question, whoever asked that, and it's hopefully you. So the method that we can check our answers is we can plug this back into our equation. So if I plug in 2 for x, 2 minus 2 will give me 0, right? 0 times whatever this mess is. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. 0 times negative 4 will give us 0. Hey, look, it works. If I plug in 2, this is one of the correct answers. And I bet you if I plug in 4, plug it into this x. But remember, when you plug in, you have to plug it into both x. So I have 2 times 4 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. And on the first one, 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 times 0 equals 0. So both answers, x equals 2 and x equals 4, are the correct answer. Go ahead and try the we do, then check your answer, please.